Sa Matakhaw Mall.
So to make the rain, we take sprinklers, which is kind of like a high-powered version of what you might use to water the lawn. Put them out of view of the camera up on these poles. Instead of spraying that water straight down, though, they'll shoot the water up into the air, so when it falls naturally to earth, it looks more like real rain.
I'm gonna show it off.
Alright, we can kill the sprinklers, thank you guys.
Madam Pavel, Takhaw Mall, Bilar Mall. Ano?
Actually, a lot of water. Oh, no, too late, look out! Flash flood. Now all the water is going to go under the bridge where it's pumped to the top of the hill to be released and recycled over and over for the tours. But it's not just for the tours, that is a real set. Lady Gaga, build a music video out there.